In this video, I just want to show you my solution. And once again, there are a lot of solutions that we can follow, but I think this is the easiest one as a beginner for you that you can follow. So in the previous video, we have added the reset button. We have assigned a class on it. We have here, I have behind the scenes implement the solution, which is first of all, you can fetch the button using the query selector. You can assign an on-click listener or add an event listener for this button right here. Okay, and once the user click on it, we are gonna grab the H1, we are gonna focus on the text inside it and change it to be Android development like so, with very simple way. All right. Once again, there are more than one solution, but in my opinion, this is the easiest one that we can follow. Thank you, my friends, so much for watching. See you in another example.